Yo, yo, yo. There is just something about coming home to a package you've been waiting on. All on YouTube. So I just came home and my Durango front bumper splitter that I've been waiting on finally arrived. I ordered them from ZL1 Addons. Check them out on Instagram. They have a lot of stuff for the Durangos, Chargers, and a whole bunch of other cars. You can check them out on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description to them. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a little bit of a unboxing, and we're gonna try and see if we can get this thing installed today. I'm excited. Alrighty, so let's see what we have here. Whew. We got some. Thank you for your purchase. We've crafted an install guide that is posted under the product listing that you can utilize for this install. We've also had this video made public on our official YouTube channel. So I'll check that out later. What is this? Ooh, decals. I love decals. And that's the price. Okay. Let's see what else came in here. Under here, we got some nuts and bolts, screws. Some clips, all the fun stuff, and also this piece. So we'll figure out where all these go. Let me get started on this install. So I just finished watching the video from ZL1 Addons on their YouTube page on how to install the splitter, and I'm gonna try and see if I can do it in my driveway because they did theirs on a lift. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do it on the driveway. So it's gonna be a challenge, hopefully not too much of a challenge, but I'm gonna try. So apparently the first thing we have to do is remove this piece. You gotta take this piece off, and then the splitter is gonna be attached directly to the bumper. As you can see, there's some pre-made holes here that we're gonna use to attach the splitter to the bumper. Alrighty, so I'm under here, and I guess to remove this piece, there's a few clips that's holding it in. And also, we're gonna have to take these out. Seems like I'm already missing two over there, so let's work. So I'm gonna try and take this piece off so we can get started on the front splitter. So after I got those clips out, there's some few other clips here that you have to screw out. There's about 4 of them, and you have to use your star tool T20 to take these out. So I'm gonna remove those now, and hopefully that's the last piece of the puzzle to get this thing off. So I lied, there are actually 6 screws that you have to take out there. And then once you get those out, you just have to pry away these clips now from the bumper. Alrighty, so this piece is off now. Okay, so I just finished aligning it, but we have a few bumps in the road. You know how these things go, it's never perfect. But apparently this splitter was specifically made for the, I want to say, the 4th or the 5th generation bumper, the SRT bumpers, because the pre-made holes that they have inside the splitter does not align with what I have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run to Home Depot real quick to get some screws and bolts, and I'm gonna have to do some custom holes to make sure everything fit how it's supposed to. And then we also have the piece here that's gonna be screwed onto there, so it's gonna look like that once it's done. So far it's good, but I just have to get those pieces, make sure everything is all right once I'm bolted on. So yeah.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so after a few hours of doing some custom work, I finally got it on. I just have a few minor things to do. Like here, I just have to put these for each one, and we're done with that. I had to do mostly custom work. I'll try to show you underneath. Okay, so underneath here, you'll see that I did not use the pre-cut out holes that they have, because like I said, those are for the newer type bumpers. So I had to measure and make some holes for this bumper. I reinforced it really good. I even have the one back there. You can see one there, one there. So it's on there pretty good. This side is done. I didn't need a lift after all. What I did was I just turned the wheel to either direction so I can get these screwed on. So was it hard? Kinda. Was it fun? Not really. So you don't really need a lift to put this lip on. If you have a lift, I would use it. It will make your life a lot easier. This side, I'm not going to put the flare as yet until I get my fender trim. So I'm gonna leave this side like this for now. Once I get my fender trim, I'll put that piece on and we should be good to go. So I'm loving it. It looks good. I'll take the plastic off in a few minutes, but it looks good. And then the good thing about this is once I change my bumper to the newer style, it'll be easier to install because all the holes are there already. So I'm not even worried about that part. So we're good. And I will be spraying those to a different color to delete the chrome. I might go white or red or black. It all depends. We'll see how that goes. But I just wanted to do a little update on how it looks right now. I can already see the aggressive look. But yeah, so we'll see if this is gonna be the end of the video, but stay tuned.
3 weeks later.
So boom, it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I did the initial install. I had some issues, such as the very next day the splitter actually fell off while driving, and it got a little bit of damage. Not too much, just some minimal damage here, but what happened was the screws that I had here were only being held on by these, and I guess while driving, all the vibration, they undid themselves and this piece just fell down. I actually lost the original sleeves that were here. So what I had to do was I had to take the whole entire bumper off. Redid the install. I'm sorry I didn't get to video the process. It was a crazy day, but I redid the whole install, took the bumper off, and wherever I have the bolts holding on to the bumper on the opposite side, I have a washer with double-sided tape on each side. So double-sided tape on the bottom, at the top, and then where the nut goes, it's holding on to that double-sided tape. So what that does is the double-sided tape helps the nut from not moving from all the vibration, and it should hold on there pretty good. I don't think it would be moving at all. I actually like I said, I've had it on for about 2 weeks now with the new install, and I've driven some high speeds, no issues. It's on there pretty good, but I just wanted to update you guys. I actually went ahead also and wrapped this flare in carbon fiber just for some extra detail. And I'm still waiting on my fender trim. I actually ordered the fender trim a few days ago, so I'm just waiting on that to be delivered, and then I'll put the other fender flare on as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the final product is. Oh, also I bought these as well, just for extra support, and I don't know if you can see it, but they go very nicely with the V-bar that I have inside the grill, the red V-bar. So yeah, that should be it for now. If this video helps you in any way, drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't before. I have a whole lot of new content coming for this year. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is wrap my roof in gloss black, so we'll be doing that next week, I believe. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching my video. Peace. I'm out.